Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869, to a Hindu Modh family in Porbandar in British Indian Empire. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai. His father served as a Diwan of Porbandar state. Mohandas had two elder sisters and three elder siblings. Gandhiji married to Kasturba Gandhi in an arranged marriage in May 1883. He got married when he was at the age of 13 years. At the age of 19, Gandhi went to England at 1888 to become a lawyer. After returning from South Africa to India in 1891, he began to practice law in Bombay. Then he went to South Africa to work at law firm. They witnessed rampant act of racism and discrimination, which angered him greatly. Once he was asked to move from the first class in a train in spite of having a valid ticket solely on the basis of the color. And another time he was asked to remove his turban. These incidents angered him and kindled in him the spirit to fight for social justice. He spent over 20 years in the country which he helped found the Natal Indian Congress, which aimed at molding the Indian community of South Africa into a unified political force. Gandhi returned to India on 1950. He joined the Indian National Congress and by 1920 established himself as a dominant figure in the Indian political sceneries. His followers gave him the attribute Mahatma, meaning the great soul. He called for all the Indians to unite as irrespective of the divisions of religion, caste in the country, fight for independence. He advocated non-cooperation with the British rule, which included a boycott of British goods in favor. India made products in 1921. He was made the leader of the Indian National Congress, the party that was fighting for the independence. Gandhiji was arrested on 10 March 1922, tried for sedition and imprisoned for 2 years in 1930 as the British government imposed tax on the salt. Gandhiji took 400 kilometers to march to seashore called Dundee. Then he made salt with his own hands to show his protest against the evil tanks. He was joined by the thousands of followers in this symbolic act of defiance against British rule. This campaign was one of his most successful and upsetting British hold in India. Britain responded by imprisoning over 16,000 people. The second was broken on 1939, and Gandhi thought it would be the right time to force a Britishers to quit. He worked a movement in 1942 called the Quit India Movement. He was imprisoned for 2 years and released before the end of the war in May 1944. By the year 1947, the British government was in enough troubles to seek in India and England, so they left India, but only after dividing it into two countries, India and Pakistan. India got independent, but it was not a peaceful process. It led to the violent clashes between Hindus and Muslims. Gandhiji repeatedly went to the hunger strike to restore peace among the country. On 30 January 1948, Gandhiji completed a 2-day hunger strike in New Delhi. He was shot dead by Hindu nationalists called Nathuram Godse at the age of 78. He established Gandhism, and the two pillars of Gandhism are truth and non-violence.